Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which you can tell by the title of the video. It's regarding none other than Terra Luna Classic. We're going to see what's happening with the price of Terra Luna Classic right now. What are some news that's revolving around Terra Luna Classic and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. Of course, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So you can see, Terra Luna Classic is up about 10% over the last 24 hours in both Bitcoin and USD comparative over the last 24 hours. We're very close and, killing another zero. And, that could potentially happen, possibly even by tomorrow if we do see more upside. Of course, if we're looking at its market cap, the market cap, the way it's held over the past month and a half has really impressed me, to say the least. We're seeing the market cap hold pretty much throughout the whole month and a half above that $500 million mark. To be exact, it's currently sitting at $540 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 65.3 million. So what exactly is happening? So if we're looking at the daily time frame, you guys can see Terra Luna Classic is one of the top performers right now today as of July 15th, and you can see this for yourself, up 8.6% over the last 24 hours. So what really is causing that? I wanted to share this with you guys. One of the biggest news that has come out, and this is something I've discussed with my viewers before literally any influencer, or I've never heard any influencer talk about that. Most people talk about the burn proposals and all that good stuff, and I was mentioning the connection that Binance and CZ has is bigger than a lot of people think, and CZ himself has come out and said something, and we're going to get into exactly what that is, and I'm going to share why this could be one of the big turning points as we do go further into the bull market for Terra Luna Classic. So you can see the world's largest crypto exchange has successfully completed 6 years of operations. Binance CEO CZ shared that crypto exchange key events and challenges in a new official statement, in which he also disclosed that Binance invested initially $3 million in Terra, now obviously Terra Luna Classic, and never moved or sold their Lunc holdings. Binance currently supports the Terra Luna Classic community with monthly burns and committing to revival roadmap. See this for yourself. Let me read that again. Binance currently supports the Terra Luna Classic community with the monthly Lunc burns and committing to the revival roadmap. And this is what he had to say. We saw our initial investment of $3 million back in 2018 turn into $1.6 billion at Terra's 2021 peak, and then down to close to zero in 2022. Of course, we know what happened in 2022. A massive collapse happened that really caused the price of Lunc to go basically to zero. But until today, the Luna, now Lunc token we received still sits on the address we originally received them on, never moved and never sold. So what does this mean? Does this surprise you? The fact that I've been mentioning that he probably has a plan in mind to really get this revival going. And the biggest thing, forget about the burns, forget about all the other proposals. The main thing is we need a big player such as Binance in this case to really come and support the revival first. Now that there's a lot of exchanges that are aware that Binance is supporting Terra Luna Classic's revival plan, they burn Lunc on a monthly basis, the biggest exchange. As we go into the bull cycle, are we going to see more and more exchanges ramp on? Potentially. And I've said this to you guys before. Does this guy have a plan in mind that we're not aware of? Like I've said, he could, considering all the regulatory things, all the crackdowns that are coming, he could have delisted literally every single stablecoin and just listed USDC and of course it's BUSD, and that could have sent the USDC back to $1. And does he have that in plans? Who knows? If that were the case, guess what's going to happen to the price of Terra Luna Classic? This could really, pump up really hard in my opinion. But again, with Terra Luna Classic, obviously comes an insane amount of risk. So people that are investing, they are bearing more risk because this project is in a revival plan. It's a revival type of project, obviously seeing a massive collapse. It's going to take some time to build it up, but what better thing can the holders of Terra Luna Classic ask then Binance's support. I don't think anything gets bigger than that, and we're seeing today a nice bounce within the price of Terra Luna Classic. As mentioned earlier, we've pretty much been holding around that $500 million market cap, but we've seen this green candle coming in. Could we potentially see a new yearly high for the price of Terra Luna Classic? Because the furthest we've seen the price, the highest for this year was back around this range. You can see this for yourself. And since then, since its yearly high, guys, on February 3rd, we have seen a significant drop of about 65%. So could we retake this level of resistance, which I was discussing back on June as well, when we saw that massive spike within the price of Terra Luna Classic? Could we see something similar happen? Right now, what we're seeing is we are seeing obviously a green candle forming, but at the same time, insane amount of resistance built up that dates back to last summer. So that's of course going to come in our way as we're breaking out. But if we do see a little bit more volume spike, and it helps push the price back up to this 11,522 mark, which we obviously did back in June. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that's a move of about 26.56%. If the price of Terra Luna Classic is able to break out of this resistance, guys, you can see this resistance is quite huge. You can see this for yourself, and obviously that has played out for us as we are breaking towards the upside. But could this time be the charm where we finally break out of here and actually retest this 145 cents mark? Potentially. But obviously, first thing Terra Luna Classic needs to do is get past this level, which is on, which we set on June 4th. And in order for us to retest that level of resistance, that is a move of about roughly 60%. So quite a significant move towards the upside. And, if we're able to cross that, you guys know I've said it in my other updates, that could be a turning point for the price of Terra Luna Classic. We could potentially see something similar as to what we had seen back in August of last year, and we're about to come to August time frame. We're pretty much around the same price where we were last year around this time. You can see this for yourself. So is this all planned? Could we honestly see August be a crazy month for Terra Luna Classic, where we see the price pump up? If I bring out the measuring tool, last time we did that, it pumped up about almost 6x. Could we see that happen? I can't write that off. I can't write that off depending on where the cryptocurrency market is at that time. Obviously, if Bitcoin continues to see more upside, hit new yearly highs, but obviously dominance is decreasing, as I mentioned in my Pepe's update, which is a really, really big plus point. I think that is also, coming really handy for a lot of altcoins right now, and you can see this for yourself. Majority of the altcoins up quite a bit compared to Bitcoin. So things are looking quite interesting right now. Still, quite bullish to say the least, that Binance is supporting Terra Luna Classic, and I don't care what other people say. I'm gonna stick to what I've said. There's nothing that gets bigger than Binance supporting Terra Luna Classic survival. Now, these proposals for the burns and stuff, it's just going to keep going over and over again. If it wasn't for Binance, I don't even think we would have been at a $500 million market cap, and that is quite straightforward in my opinion, and I'm pretty sure most people agree on that. So things are looking quite great, but like I said, if we're able to break past that June 4th high, I am expecting a price of Terra Luna Classic next target to be that 145 cents mark. But of course, we'll take it one step at a time here. Want to hear from you guys in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.